Let's talk dry shampoos, the different types and what will suit you and your lifestyle best. Death Valley, the quickest way to get volume and body into your hair. It's an aerosol, so you just shake it up first, spray it all the way through your regrowth, give it a brush through, and you're done. Easy. Spiritualize is amazing for all you gym goers. So after you've done your workout, you shake it up, spray it all the way through. This one contains micellar water, which will help absorb the oil, but also keeping your scalp really moisturized. So then after you sprayed it through, give it a blast on cold air and you're done. Badlands is 1 part dry shampoo and 1 part styling paste. So this is awesome for shorter textured hairstyles where you rub a little bit into your fingertips through your regrowth to give it that plumped feeling, but also nice and textured. Skyline is our non-aerosol dry shampoo, so you use about 3 to 4 pumps through that hair, massage it in. It will help give you that volume and elevated feel. Blow it up big using balloon. If you love volume and texture, this is your go-to. This is an amazing product. You can spray it on the regrowth and through the ends for added volume and texture. No matter your hair, no matter your lifestyle, there is always a dry shampoo for you, so come visit us for your personal prescription.